Sometimes, what will you say? Oh, why? You don't want to go to school. No. Oh, when you see something you don't like. Oh, I don't want to go there. The letter O, a very interesting letter O. How do we write letter O? The big letter. Just a big circle. O. Don't remove your hand. You start and you end there. Letter, big letter O. And the small one is just similar, but a little small, that's all. O. When it becomes dark at home, what does mummy do? She'll put on the light. Now let's imagine dark and let us sing. Now it's dark, the lights go on. Oh, 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 oh. Time for bed and lights go off. Oh, 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 oh. Get that again? Now it's dark, the lights go on. Oh, 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 oh. Now time for bed, the lights go off. Oh, 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 oh. The sound of letter O, O. Get the mouth rounded. O. Owl, O. Word owl. Oven. Out. Onion. Onion. Ostrich. Ostrich. Orange. Octopus. The letter O, you must get your mouth O. The sound of letter O is O. Remember O, 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 O. Okay?